At SafetyQuip, we supply workplace safety equipment to industry. One of our product categories is self-contained breathing apparatus sets. Clients sometimes ask us for a basic kit that has everything in a bag ready to go. This set here is the 3M Sigma 2 Type 2 Compliance Kit. The kit includes a face piece, the cylinder and a backplate. Now the cylinder is a carbon fibre lightweight cylinder. It comes full with air ready to go. There's approximately 45 minutes of air depending on the user's breathing rate. These kits are often used in plant rooms to have hanging on the wall ready to use in the event of a gas leak. For example, a plant room for a swimming pool where there's chlorine gas, or maybe a water treatment facility where there's also chlorine gas, or maybe a cold store where there's potentially an ammonia gas leak from the refrigeration system. They're also used extensively for confined space entry. The 3M Sigma 2 Type 2 self-contained breathing apparatus set. Contact your local SafetyQuip branch for further information. Hit us up if you'd like a staff member to come out to your site to demonstrate the product or answer any questions that you may have.